Are you serious, Sonny? Come on, dude. That's gross. Leave that up there. Let it dry off. What do we have planned for today? Huh, Sonny? You want to fix your lip there? You got a vet appointment to check your nose and your ears, buddy boy. Come here. Paw? Oh, you're such a good boy. All right, up here on the table. What do you want to do? You want to do a little project? You want to chew on this? I know what you want to do. You want to chew on the screwdriver. You like the Milwaukee screwdrivers? All right, leave that right there, kid. What about one of these? You want to chew on my gloves? Go ahead. Have fun. I got a bunch of them. You know what? We're going to do a little opening with these guys. The DeWalt knives I bought. We'll make a video of that stuff. What do you think? Huh, son? Yes or no? You just want to play around with the gloves, right? It's cold out. Sonny put the heater on. I'm only kidding, I did. And I got a few things to button up before I go to my full-time job. Right, Sonny? Alright, you have fun with those gloves, Sonny boy. Let's see, what can we do? What are you chewing on the tile saw now? Leave this alone. This is a guide. Don't chew on the guide, alright? Let's tighten this down so you don't ruin it. Right, leave that alone, buddy. Here. Come on up. Take a look at the new blades. We're not going to open it because you'll cut yourself. I want to know. Alright, let's see. That's it. You ready to go in? Because this heater, let's change. Let's bump it up a little bit. It's turning off on us. Let's put it to max. Let this thing run for a while. I could still see your breath, Gus. What do you want to chew on?